Hey there, ever found yourself scratching your head over simultaneous equations? Well, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to solve simultaneous equations like a pro. First things first, what are simultaneous equations? They're simply two or more equations that share common variables, and we solve them at the same time. For instance, take x plus y equals sine 5 and x are y equals sine 6. Both equations involve x and y, and solving them together helps us find the values of these variables. Now, how do we solve these? There are mainly three methods: substitution, elimination, and graphical. Let's dive into each one. Starting with the substitution method. This involves isolating one variable in one equation and substituting its value in the other. For example, from x plus y equals sine 5, let's isolate x. So x equals sine 5y. Now substitute this in the second equation, 5y. We equal sine 6. Solving this gives y equals sine minus 0.5 and substituting back x equals sine 5.5. Voila! That's your solution using substitution. Next up, elimination. This method focuses on eliminating one variable by adding or subtracting the equations. Let's go back to our equations. If I multiply the first equation by 1 and the second by 1, I can add them to eliminate yx plus y plus x. Y equals 5 plus 6, which simplifies to 2x equals sine 11, so x equals sine 5.5. Then plug x back into one of the original equations to find y. Easy, right? Lastly, the graphical method. This one's visual. You graph both equations on a coordinate plane. The point where they intersect represents the solution to the equations. It's a great way to see how different solutions fit together and understand the concept visually. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try solving a few examples on your own using these methods. The more you practice, the more you'll get the hang of it. So there you have it. Now you know how to tackle simultaneous equations using different methods. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, happy learning. Catch you in the next video where we'll explore more exciting math topics. Until then, keep those brains buzzing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and drop your questions in the comments section below.